For process-driven industries like automotive manufacturing and oil and gas, a constant, reliable supply of a high-volume compressed air can mean the difference between meeting your targets or facing major production disruptions. The Kaishan KCOF oil-free centrifugal compressor is a high-performance system designed to deliver a steady stream of clean, compressed air with maximum efficiency. That efficiency is ensured from the moment air enters the compressor. The KCOF's inlet guide vanes pre-swirl the air, allowing for efficient entry into the impeller and enabling operators to throttle airflow as needed to maintain steady pressure and optimal air supply. The impellers draw in ambient air and accelerate it. As the air moves through the impeller, it gains velocity before reaching the diffuser vanes. When the high-speed air hits the diffuser vane, it slows down, converting kinetic energy into pressure and heat. The hot semi-compressed air moves into an intercooler, where it's cooled back to near ambient temperature. Unlike those of other manufacturers, the Kaishan standard cooler design features premium stainless steel tube bundles with large diameter half-inch water-in-tube straight and routable tubes. This design achieves a more durable cooler and is easier to clean without having to remove the bundle. The cooled air then moves into the second and third stages for further compression, repeating the process. By the time the air exits the third stage, it has reached normal operating pressure. For added flexibility, the KCOF can be configured with or without its aftercooler, depending on whether operators are pairing the compressor with a heat of compression dryer or for process needs. All air and water passages within the KCOF compressor are epoxy coated to resist corrosion. The KCOF compressor's turbo logic controls use open architecture Allen Bradley PLCs as standard and are USA designed and supported throughout the Americas. Further flexibility is added by having multiple available options with well-known and respected controls integration companies. Additionally, the KCOF's horizontally split gearbox, bearings, and seals allow for easy access, inspection, and replacement without the need to remove aero components from the package, making it highly maintainable in the field. Finally, another key feature of the Kaishan KCOF is our thrust collar design, which enables users to handle the thrust load of each stage and transmit those loads to the biggest, most robust item in the gearbox, the main bull gear. The KCOF oil-free centrifugal compressor is designed to reliably deliver clean, oil-free compressed air, helping you work better, smarter, and more efficiently. For more information,